So I'm off on another adventure. I saw a Craigslist ad for $460, and the guy's just trying to get rid of it. So I just went and looked at it, and now I'm gonna go to the bank and get me some cash money. But it's pretty impressive, the haul. So I'll be right back. But if you're interested in 460s, 429s, all that good shit, stick around. So I bought it. I got 2 blocks, heads, brand new cam and lifters, rebuilt motor. I mean, new pistons, new everything. And I actually got it all for about the price of a new cam and lifters. So I'm pretty pumped, to say the least. Couldn't pick it up today because it's the day before Easter and they're going out of town, and I got stuff to do today, but pretty pumped. So anyways, I will, once I pick it all up, I'll finish the video so I can show you what I got. So take care and hope to see you soon. One of the reasons I'm in a hurry is because I went and bought a whole bunch of Ford big block parts, and I'm trying to figure out what these heads are. And they have a casting of 35. Now they're off a boat motor, so that's one thing. And they got big head. They have big combustion chambers, so they're not like any super duper heads. So I think they may be late model, I'm not sure. But one of the things that has me somewhat perplexed is this right here. And I can't even read what that says. But, you know, any help with these heads would be greatly appreciated. And like I said, I think they're, you know, they don't have studs. And they have that 35 marking on both of the heads. Oh, that one's 36. So I don't really know what they are, so if you can help me with what they are, I'd appreciate it. Well, I just got done picking up the parts I bought, and you're gonna be surprised what I got for I know I'm surprised. And as you can tell, it was a workout getting it loaded up because I'm a fat son of a bitch. But you'll be interested, and I'll show you as soon as I get home. So thanks for watching. So this is what I went and bought. I showed you the heads already, and I got questions, but those are evidently OMC marine heads with those numbers 35 and 36. So I don't know if you can use those on the street or not. But this is really all I wanted. This is a D1 VE, so it's a 71 block. It's got 6.9 AE rods, and it's got, you can see it, brand new Speed Pro pistons, 30 over, and it's been sitting for like 10 years. So he said all the machine work was done. It's just been sitting because he didn't have the boat anymore. So what had happened is he bought the boat as a project. It had that motor in it. It's you know, it's got the boat motor motor mounts. It's got, I don't know where the rods and all that, I didn't get those, but that's okay. But that's a 79 motor, as you can tell by the external weight. It's externally balanced. It came with all this, the oil pump or oil relocation kit. It came with the exhaust manifolds, the OMC. It was evidently in a pretty big boat, but anyways, I don't know anything about boats, but I got it for the DIVE block over there. So the machine ready to go block. I'm probably going to, I would think I'm going to pull the main caps off and make sure the bearings are still good, or that they use new bearings, and check the clearances. And but it looks pretty good, you know. I don't know what else is in here. There's just a whole bunch of stuff. Oil pump with a pickup. Anyways, so that's what I got out here. And then yeah, D9TE. So I think that's a 79, and that one's a Dive, D-I-V-E block. As you can see, it looks a little rusty, but that's just because it was sitting in his garage for forever. And then I think that's like the fuel filter with the water separator, and I think that's part of the exhaust. I think it goes into those. I'm not positive, but I think that's how it works, because like I said, I'm not a boat guy. And so, you know, anyways, and then the other stuff I have with it, and I got to go through it. I haven't even gone through it, but you know, supposedly those are all new cam bearings, but I don't know how good those are. And main seal, the rest of the timing set, because they got the gear on the motor, but from Summit. Comp cam lifter still with the wrapper. I don't know what that number is. 832-16, and the comp cam 34-331-4. This is brand new, made in Mexico, but it's got the I think this must be for the boat motor. I don't know. Anyways, I got to go through all this. Yeah, it's just, I didn't even go through it. I just paid the man his money and moved on. So, like I said, I'm gonna have to go through this all, and it's just been sitting. Intake manifold gaskets. So anyways, I'll have to go through all this and figure out what I got and what I don't have. But I can say for certain that all of the marine stuff is going to be for sale. And I just got to find out more about these marine heads, because I don't know anything about those particular things. So anyways, if you know anything about the marine heads, please put it in the comments below. And you know, if you see anything you need or want, let me know. I'm sure we can work something out. So again, thanks for watching. My wife just told me I'm crazy, or I'm driving her crazy, one of the two, for buying all this stuff. I guess I can sort of understand, but anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please like if you like this. And one of these days, I'm going to stop buying stuff and work on something. So, thank you. Bye.